Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to skip properly. This will be an easy jump rope tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have a very basic jump rope. Now a lot of people will tell you you need these advanced weighted ropes and stuff like that. You don't need them. If you want to get them, they're great, but at the end of the day you can learn to skip using a jump rope that will probably cost you only a few bucks. Let's get right into the video. So I'm going to step back here. I'm going to talk at a relatively low volume, so please bear with me. Now what you want to do, first and foremost, step on your rope, stretch it out a little bit, just to make sure that it is going to be nice and straight. I took this out of the package only a few minutes ago and it's already almost straight. So, you know, if you use it for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, it's probably going to be straightened out. Now what you want to do is you want to just start off by getting into the habit of moving your arms and wrists in a circular motion. So what you're going to do is, without the rope, take your wrists like this beside you and go like this. Okay? That's the motion that you're going to be doing, but you're not going to be doing it with your arms like that. You're just going to be doing it with the wrists, but you're going to practice like this at first. Just take 30 seconds and just go like this. It's going to warm your body up for skipping properly. Then you want to get your rope. Like I said, step on it. Make sure that it is nice and fully at full length, and place it behind your feet. You can see right here, it's behind my feet, okay? You're going to bring it around over your head to the front of your body, let it fall on the floor, step over it, just like that, okay? Same thing, let it fall on the floor, step over it. Do that a few times, just to sort of get you in the zone for skipping, just like that. Now we're going to speed it up a little bit, but this time, as the rope comes on the floor and is about to hit my feet, I'm just going to almost walk over it, like that. I'm going a little too fast, so I'm going to slow it down. You want to start slowly, but you're not jumping with 2 feet. You're kind of jumping like that over it. You're galloping over it. Just like that. You can go as slow as you need to, as long as you jump over it, and you can jump really high, like that. Now the next thing that we're going to do is the same thing. However, sorry about that. Instead of galloping over it, we're just going to jump with 2 feet. We're going to hop over it, just like that. So just like this. And once again, you can go as slow as you need to. No big deal. It can get caught behind you. It's not a big deal. Just like that. Okay? Now what you're going to do, and believe it or not, it's harder to skip slowly. That's why you kind of see me messing up a few times. But now what we're going to do, and I'm going to come closer, I'm going to catch my breath. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing. We're going to start off slowly with a continual motion with the skipping rope. And then we're going to speed up and get to a relatively quick motion. The idea here is not to be the fastest jump rope in the world. It is just to get into the motion, and then you can work on your speed and your stamina and your endurance, because believe it or not, this is a pretty serious workout. So let's do this. Rope behind you, start off slowly, then speed it up. Just like that. You want to just keep going as quickly as you can. Just like that. Get into your flow, get into your momentum, and that's it. And you can go even faster if you want to. See, and I went a little too fast. Like I said, I'm not a professional, but I just wanted to show you exactly how to do it in this video. So that is essentially how to jump rope properly, how to learn how to do it, how to speed it up, and just become great at it. That said, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.